In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links in a Smartsheet form. Whether you're guiding someone through a complex process or simply pointing them toward a relevant web page for more information, being able to embed hyperlinks into your forms can be a game changer for effective communication. Adding hyperlinks not only streamlines the user experience, but also enhances the functionality of your forms by incorporating access to external sources and ensuring that the information provided is comprehensive and up-to-date. Let's dive into how you can easily do this within Smartsheet. First, you need to navigate to the section of your Smartsheet form where you want to include your hyperlink. Within Smartsheet forms, you can add hyperlinks in several areas: the form's description, the headings, or the help text for each field. These areas are pivotal for providing additional context or instructions to those filling out the form, so thoughtfully placing your links where they are needed most will greatly enhance their functionality. Once you have decided where you want to place your hyperlink, simply paste the URL into the chosen section of your form. Yes, it's that straightforward. You could either paste it directly into the description area for a broad context, or within a field's help text to offer more detailed guidance on that specific field. However, if you want the text to look more professional and clickable, you'll want to take it a step further by embedding the link. After pasting the URL, highlight the portion of the text you'd like to convert into a clickable link. For example, you might use text like "click here" as the clickable link, which is much more intuitive and user-friendly than a long URL string. Once you've highlighted your desired text, look for the chain or link icon in the text formatting options. This icon is particularly familiar as it symbolizes linking, commonly found across editing interfaces. Click on this chain icon to open the hyperlinking options. A dialog usually appears where you can paste your URL in a dedicated field, ensuring that the text you've highlighted will turn into a hyperlink once you confirm. Upon completing these actions, double-check to ensure your link is working as intended. A quick way to do this is by entering the preview mode of your Smartsheet form and clicking on the hyperlink. This step lets you verify that the link directs users to the correct destination, maintaining the integrity and usability of your form. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently include functional hyperlinks in your Smartsheet forms. It's a powerful way to enhance your forms and empower users with all necessary information just a click away. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make your Smartsheet forms more informative and interactive.